Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your TV makes a clicking sound but does not turn on, listen carefully for the next 10 seconds. That clicking sound is not random. It is the power supply trying to start and failing again and again. As a technician, I see this problem almost every week in the workshop. First, unplug the TV from the wall socket. Wait at least 10 full minutes. This step discharges trapped electricity inside the power board. Now plug the TV directly into a wall socket. Do not use extension boards or surge protectors during testing. Many cheap extensions cause unstable voltage and clicking noise. Second, check the remote control and buttons. Remove the remote batteries completely. Press and hold the TV power button on the panel for 10 seconds. This resets the standby control circuit. Then insert fresh batteries and try again. Third, inspect the backlight failure symptom. If the TV clicks, the screen stays black, but you see a very brief flash, the LED backlight may be faulty. Modern TVs have a protection mode. If one LED strip fails, the power supply shuts down to prevent damage. This issue is extremely common in LED TVs after 2 or 3 years of use. Fourth, focus on the power supply board capacitors. Clicking with no display is often caused by dry or swollen capacitors. Capacitors store and release voltage smoothly. When they fail, voltage becomes unstable. The relay clicks repeatedly because the TV cannot reach stable startup voltage. This repair requires opening the TV and replacing faulty capacitors with the same microfarad and voltage rating. Fifth, check the main board short circuit. A shorted voltage regulator, or shorted integrated circuit, can trigger protection mode. The power board starts, detects abnormal current, and shuts down instantly. This results in repeated clicking. Professional diagnosis with a multimeter is required here. Sixth, firmware corruption is rare but possible. Sudden power cuts can corrupt TV software. The TV tries to boot and fails. In some models, reflashing firmware using a USB drive fixes the issue. Important safety note. Do not keep trying to turn the TV on repeatedly. This can damage the power board further. If you are not experienced with electronics, do not open the TV. High voltage is present even when the TV is off. This guide is based on real repair cases, service manuals, and technician experience. If this video helped you understand the problem, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real-world TV repair knowledge.